India kadon hakaliang ke Ukraine ni Rusia. Koble sibun ki porlok berjus tenat ban pek ya kan ke channel. Kat bakat hama Rusia bat Ukraine kadang ya chat mentala lai teu kan thi. Bat bun kiri ke pertai kisnosen bat kisno melung ya kari Ukraine bat bun abdeng jom kiri ke pertai kile yarap ya kari Ukraine bat ke India ru kelelek ban yarap ya Ukraine. Da kitiar gitar bat ki dawai hakan kata yo beladap Henry ka jingkeli kami menta naki pajba bat khamtam naki nong sensar jom kiri ke perthai bat ban ong kumne hatu ke India ke kersian ye ke Rusia ke Amerika ke balong ke ri baklan bor ke perthai kalong hatu ke India kan penkai ye ka sanction balapan mana da ke Amerika ke balek thit ye kumpniang bala tarwatat da ke Rusia ke Amerika kalong balada ke India kan long sisa kumta kala bakla siba palat bat kan long gajing lerany kat ya kari bahek tam haga sensar lai lut haga bere bat kane nakaliang sekretari jong White House Press Jen Psaki ilaong ngam ngej bag India kan pen Kenya kan ka sanction handai de ban perkhat pat hangno kadon namar ka khana bat ka history kin hapsa ken mau haga bakum kan kapor ilaong shu baban kersan yu no ilam ke Rusia kalong thik kum kersan ya kathma kabawan ra ya jingdu nong ka bakrau.
Well, our message to any country continues to be that obviously abide by the sanctions, but that we have put in place and recommended. I don't believe this would be violating that, but also think about where you want to stand when the history books are written in this moment in time. And support for the Russian leadership is support for an invasion that obviously is having a devastating impact.